guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is my full wardrobe tour. So I'm going to show you the before and then show you what I've done. I have moved a couple of shelves down so I can fit all my cami tops in. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive.
I've done so far in my wardrobe. I've still got bits to do. It might not look any different, but it is different. I've moved the bag storage up there. I've literally moved that shelf up as well, so I can put all of my cami tops here. This shelf was moved down, this shelf was moved down. In here, I've got the acrylic drawers there. I've kept that there, and I've kept my 2 drawer boxes there. That's my little storage that I keep all my lunch stuff in. Then obviously, that's exactly the same. And then down here, I've just put my sunglasses case in here. And then in here, it's all my hats, scarves, gloves, and then my bikinis all of there. So that's that side of the wardrobe done.
Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep.
This side probably don't look completely any different, but I've kept all my summer and winter shoes up there. I've popped all my new clothes in, so all my tops, my hoodies. I've just kept some clothes that obviously is still new to me. This shelf has been moved down. Then in here, it's not completely finished. I'm still waiting for a few more things to arrive. I've got these here. Obviously I'm going to get a few more to go here, which I'm still waiting for. In this drawer, it's a bit more organised, but I'm going to get different ones of these. And obviously I've got my new underwear in there. Then in here is my pyjama drawer. So I've got some proper pyjamas. I've got my Valentine's Day ones, my nighties, my summer short sets, and my silky pyjamas there. And in this drawer is just my trousers. So I have my jogging trousers, different kinds of leggings, apart from obviously the work ones, jeans, which I need to get some more because I've only got the white pair, my leather look leggings. And then in here, I just have leggings there that I use for work. They're new leggings which haven't been opened yet for work. These are my winter leggings, so they got the fur lined in. They are some cycling shorts, and I've got like normal shorts at the back there. So yeah, it's looking a little bit more different. And so now that is my wardrobe done. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Everything that I have actually used for the wardrobe, I will try and list in the description box below. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.